Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a 3D model of Itachi Uchiha using this molded clay. So first, you open this packet, then you will find two more small packets inside it. After opening the packet, we need to mix it well like I am showing. After mixing, you have to do like this slowly to shape up the head portion. Then we have to make two more tiny balls. Then press the balls like this. Now we can cut the shape to make the headband. For preparing the hair, we can follow the same process like I said before and fix it like that. We do the same thing for other hairs also. We will take another piece of clay. Now we will have to like this to shape up the body. Now take some more clay and attach it below in the body part to shape up the leg. Now carefully cut like this. And now we will take more clay to complete the hand and other parts. Wait for 1 to 2 hours to dry it up. Now to attach the head with the body, mix clay with some water and put the head above the body part. Our structure is completed. Time to color it. So let's begin. Take the reference and color it accordingly. For eyes, we can draw it in a separate paper and attach it to the face. Now we will shape the nose and the lips with the pen. Here I am using the black gel pen for the drawing. I already have this wooden piece which I will use it as a stand for the structure. I am gonna color it with black paint. Now place the model on the wood with the help of glue. This is the final look of the model of Itachi Uchiha. Hope you liked my work, and if you are trying it at home, don't forget to send a picture on my Instagram.